Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous and glamorous look. Let's begin. I'm using Marvellous Mattes by Makeup Revolution. I'll start with this burgundy shade. After that I'm going to be taking this dark plum shade. I'm tapping it with a small brush and then blending it with a fluffy one. I've always wanted to try this kind of eye makeup. I think it's an Arabic style. On a second note, I think it's not. It's just a kind of smoky eye. You just apply the darker shades on the outer part and blend it towards your brows. Now I'm pressing this pink shade on my lid, followed by the white eyeshadow in the inner corner. I'll press it towards the brows as well. It will set the concealer. This kind of eye makeup requires a thick eyeliner. Don't take it too far, just stops towards the end of your eye. There we're going to blend it with a black eyeshadow. To give it a more finished look, I'm applying a liquid liner over it. It's purely optional. Now I'm using Maybelline's Super Stay Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, blends very easily, gives a smooth look. Next I'm using my favorite Maybelline's Age Rewind corrector. After setting and bronzing my face, I'm using Maybelline's Burgundy blush lipstick. I think the shade is for everyone. And these lipsticks are so creamy, so pigmented, so good. Next I'm using Bear With Me by Dose of Colors. I'm going for this ombre style of lipstick. See how good it looks, and look at the difference that lower lash line makeup makes. I know I'm blowing my own trumpet, but look at that blend. After smoking out my lower lash line, I'm using this glitter eyeshadow from SFR Color, Hate It With Love eye palette. It's a good palette. You should check it out. And here is a complete look, side by side. Feel like a model. I didn't want to remove this makeup at all. I mean, look at that blend. I know I'm saying this again, but I can't help it. If you like this makeup and this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't. I'm gonna pose the hell out of this look, I'm telling you. Okay, I will stop now. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll be posting more such video in the coming weeks. Bye bye.